In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zendesk account. Now, whether you have a paid or trial account, it's important to understand the steps involved in this process. Just a quick note before we dive in. Only the account owner can delete a Zendesk account. If you have a trial account, you won't see a delete option, so there's no need to worry. Just let the trial run its natural course, and Zendesk will take care of deactivating it automatically once it expires. Let's focus on how to delete a paid Zendesk account. To start, you need to make sure you're logged in as the account owner. This is crucial because, without these credentials, you won't be able to access the necessary settings to initiate the deletion process. Once you're logged in, head over to the Admin Center. You can do this by either clicking the gear icon or navigating directly to admin.zendesk.com. This will bring you to the area where you can manage all the administrative details of your account. Now, you'll want to navigate to the billing section. Here's how you do it. Find and select Account, then go to Billing, and finally click on Subscription. This sequence will lead you to the subscription page where you can manage your account details. On this page, look for the Manage option next to your subscription. This is the portal where you can make changes or cancel your account. Once you're on the management page, scroll down to the bottom. This is where you're going to find the crucial options to either cancel account or remove products or cancel account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. After making a selection, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Be sure to review everything, and when you're ready, confirm the cancellation. If you have any concerns about your data, there's an additional step you might want to take. You can contact Zendesk support to request a full deletion of your data. While canceling your account stops the service, reaching out to support can ensure that any stored data is also removed if that's something you're interested in. There you have it. That covers everything you need to know about deleting a Zendesk account. Remember to make sure you're logged in as the account owner to access and manage these administrative settings effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If so, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video!